hope you are enjoying your summer. As for me, I am doing great. I am doing fantastic. July is holy month for me. I have a lot going on in July. I just had a birthday, July 2nd. The hubby and I, we just celebrated our 13-year wedding anniversary. Yeah! My keeper, you guys. I know what you guys are thinking. I agree with you. I did get married at 12. So everything normally happens in July. So baby shower, a church event. I forgot about church event. And of course, July 4th. So I've been a little busy partying. But I am having a great time. I'm happy for all the milestones. I try to upload as much as I can. For the next couple of weeks till the end of July, I'm gonna be posting a lot more because I have a few videos that I need to catch up on. In August, the beginning of actually the first 2-3 weeks of August, I will be posting a little bit less because I'm gonna be away on vacation for 2.5 weeks. So I will still be posting, but it could be things like a marathon or something that's a little bit easier to upload that doesn't require a lot of work from me. And then once we get back in August, of course, we're gonna go straight, I guess, to fall decor. And then we're gonna go back to our normal schedule, which is uploading videos twice a week. So I just wanted to stop by and give you guys this little update so you guys know what I'm up to. I did not want you guys to think that, oh, she's not being consistent, she's in and out. I am not in and out, I'm fully in. You know, she's just living life a little. July is always gonna be like that for me. So yeah, today guys, I am going to do a centerpiece on my island. I'm going to show you how I do that. But before I do that, I'm gonna do a quick review on a robot vacuum that was sent to me by Deenkee. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, this is a D40 robotic vacuum cleaner by Deenkee. Designed for carpets, rugs, and hardwood floor. It works with Wi-Fi and voice control with Alexa and Google Voice. It can vacuum, sweep, and mop the floor. It says it has a super strong 3000 PA suction power, state-of-the-art optic flow sensor, intelligent Dalou navigation system. Now let's open it up to see what's in there. I'm not going to show you all the pieces. I'm only going to show you the main pieces. Of course, it came with the manual books for installation. This is a water tank for mopping. It can take up to 300 millimeters of water. This is a charger base. And first thing that I noticed about the charger base, it is very small, and these are all the small parts that came with the vacuum. It came with 2 mopping pads. This is the robot vacuum. It is very cute and compact. As I mentioned earlier, it has Wi-Fi capability, so I'm going to download the app to pair it up with my phone. Once I download the app, I can control it on my phone or manually. This is the area I'm gonna have her clean. It is dirty, but the camera is not picking it up because of the color of the floor. I'm going to add a little bit more dirt so you guys can see.
True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat. Well, the taste is bitter.
As you can see, she does a pretty good job at picking up the dirt on the floor. She does really well on carpet as well. And navigating in between objects. There is 6 different cleaning options. One of them is spot cleaning. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how she does spot cleaning. I'm putting a little bit of dirt on the floor and see how she does. This is the spot cleaning button. We're going to press it. Did you guys see how the vacuum spreads the rice further away? That's a problem because when she's doing spot cleaning, she can only do 3 feet in diameter. So some of them that she spread away stay on the floor. So I would not use this vacuum for spot cleaning because she didn't do a good job. I would have her do regular cleaning, which is something she's amazing at. Do you guys see that? I still have a little bit of rice on the floor. The next cleaning option that she has is random cleaning. I don't know yet how this cleaning is different than regular cleaning, but that's what she's doing right now. Next cleaning option is edge cleaning. Oh my goodness, I love me some edge cleaning. She did such a wonderful job. It is so satisfying watching the vacuum cleaning all the edges from corner to corners. It is one of my favorite things about this vacuum so far. Now I'm going to show you how she maps. I'm going to remove the filter to replace it by the water tank. That's all the dirt she picked up. She did pretty good, right? She does a pretty good job at mopping the floor. However, she gets on the rug while she's mopping. That's a problem because I do not want my rug to get wet each time I mop the floor. Now, she came with this plastic thing that can serve as a barrier. They were not long enough for me to put around the rug, and based on my understanding, I'm supposed to use them to map the different rooms I have in the house. But it's not gonna work for me. Therefore, I have to purchase more of them on Amazon. Now, my final thought on this vacuum. Do I like it? I love it. Why? Number one, she does a really good job at cleaning. Number two, battery life is amazing. Over 1 hour in a full charge. Number three, it is one of the most affordable robot vacuum that I've seen in the market. Number four, it is very small. It does not occupy a lot of space. Number five, it is very easy to use. Number six, I like the fact that it is a vacuum and a mop at the same time. Overall, the vacuum is a great assistant to help maintain a clean home. Please check out the link. It will be in the description box. A coupon code for you to save up to 50% off. Please hurry up to take full advantage of it. I went to my local supermarket today. I got myself this beautiful hydrangeas. I got some roses and some other hot pink flowers. We are going to make a bouquet. I'm going to take this moment to say, if you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share glam home decor, cleaning, and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. Thanks to all of you, my Glam Squad, for stopping by today. On Instagram, I saw a couple of people putting Sprite underwater for the flower. I don't know if it works or not. I thought I would give it a try. Then I'm using the scotch tape method on the ball to secure the flowers. And because of that, I don't have to use a lot of flowers. Then I'm gonna use this tray from Amazon. For some reason, I love this tray on the island. This vase is my new baby from Inspire Me Home Decor Farmer here on Instagram. It is not the cheapest vase, but it is so fancy and so glam and so unique. I love the details. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box, so check it out. These beautiful branches are from Etsy. They are mad long, 53 inches long. You know, I'm not going to cut them, I'm just gonna fold them. Voila, so dramatic. I'm also going to be using my luxurious candle from Home Goods. My fancy lighter is also from Amazon. And the island is ready to slay, baby. I love it. I hope you guys will love it too as well.
par de tus amigas diciendo que no ven, que esto sea duradero, que sea algo sincero, que un perro no cambia y eso es lo que es él. Pero tú lo viste, mi amor, tú viste mi mejor versión. Tú hiciste lo que nadie quería, ser inspo para mis poesías. Siento que tú solo sabes, chico comparte maldades, pero sinceridad.
So I am going to say my goodbye right now. Thanks for stopping by to all of you. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Make sure you hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to all of you, my fellow, my beloved Glam Squad, thanks for stopping by today. I love you all. On that note, let me show you guys my ponytail. Yes, this is the diva you guys are dealing with. Such a diva. Mad long. Okay? Bye. Mwah.
Esas madrugadas